The biggest lie young people hear is that getting a degree guarantees a high-paying job. But times have changed. Many graduates struggle with student debt and low-paying jobs. The truth is, relying only on a degree won't make you wealthy. To build real financial success, students need a side hustle, one that can start small but grow into something big. Some of the most successful entrepreneurs began with nothing but an idea and a laptop. Today, we're diving into 7 powerful side hustles students can start in 2025. These aren't just random ideas. You'll see real examples of people making thousands, even millions from these side hustles. Stay till the end, because the last one could change your financial future. 1. Faceless short-form content. Right now, there's a content war happening between YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Snapchat Spotlight. These platforms are paying massive rewards to creators because they need more content to attract users. People are making thousands of dollars per month by creating short-form videos without even showing their faces. The key is simple. Use trending topics and viral hooks. Edit clips with engaging captions and sounds. Upload consistently across multiple platforms. Some creators make money by curating motivational content, celebrity updates, or life hacks. With the right formula, you can grow fast. How much time does it take to learn? 4 out of 5. It's easy to start, but mastering engagement takes effort. How much money do you need? 1 out of 5. A smartphone and internet connection are enough. How hard is it to make $1,000 per month? 2 out of 5. With consistent uploads, it's very possible. 2. Investing, making money, work for you. Most people think investing is risky and complicated, but starting early is the key to long-term wealth. Even if you don't have much money now, small investments can add up over time. There's a strategy called dollar cost averaging, where you invest a fixed amount into stocks or index funds consistently. This reduces risk and allows your money to compound. If you invest $200 per month into a fund averaging a 10% annual return, you could have over $1.2 million in 40 years. But who wants to wait 40 years? The key is to combine investing with a side hustle. Use fast money from your hustle and multiply it through smart investments. How much time does it take to learn? 1 out of 5. Basic investment knowledge is easy to grasp. How much money do you need? 1 out of 5. Some platforms let you start with just $1. How hard is it to make $1,000 per month? 5 out of 5. Takes years unless you have a large investment. Third, building and managing Discord communities. Discord has grown into a massive community platform for businesses, influencers, and creators. Many people want to monetize their servers, but don't know how. This is where you come in. If you learn how to set up and manage Discord servers, you can charge clients for customizing servers with bots, roles, and automated systems, moderating and growing online communities, providing exclusive access or memberships. Some freelancers make over $100,000 per month just from managing Discord servers for businesses. How much time does it take to learn? 2.5 out of 5. Basics are easy, but advanced features take time. How much money do you need? 1 out of 5. You only need a computer and internet. How hard is it to make $1,000 per month? 2 out of 5. Just a few clients can get you there. 4. Online coaching and consulting. If you have a skill, people will pay to learn from you. Coaching doesn't require a degree, just proof that you can get results. For example, personal trainers, social media experts, and business consultants are making $5,000 to $10,000 per month through one-on-one coaching or group programs. If you know fitness, offer custom workout plans. If you know marketing, help businesses grow online. If you're skilled in a subject, tutor students online. People don't just pay for information, they pay for guidance and accountability. How much time does it take to learn? 2 out of 5. If you already have a skill, you're halfway there. How much money do you need? 1 out of 5. A laptop and internet are enough. How hard is it to make $1,000 per month? 1 out of 5. Just a few clients can get you there. 5. AI animation and video editing. AI is revolutionizing content creation. Right now, businesses, YouTubers, and brands need engaging videos, but most don't know how to use AI tools to create them. Freelancers who master AI tools like Runway ML, AI-generated videos, Kyber AI, music video animation, Pika Labs, text-to-video generation, are making $8,000 to $10,000 per month editing AI-enhanced content. How much time does it take to learn? 4 out of 5. AI makes things easier, but creativity still plays a major role. While AI tools can assist with automation and ideas, your ability to think outside the box will set you apart. How much money do you need? 1 out of 5. Most AI-powered tools are free or come with budget-friendly plans, making it easy to start without a heavy investment. How hard is it to make $1,000 per month? 2 out of 5. With a handful of clients, reaching $1,000 per month is absolutely doable. The key is consistency and refining your skills over time. 6. Reselling luxury items. The luxury resale market is booming, and people are making serious profits flipping high-end products. Brands like Louis Vuitton, Chanel, and Rolex not only retain their value, but, in some cases, appreciate more than traditional investments like stocks. But here's the thing, reselling luxury items isn't just about buying and selling. The most successful resellers know how to authenticate products, identify the best deals, and understand market trends. Many beginners start with smaller items like designer sneakers, watches, or handbags before scaling up to bigger ticket items. Platforms like StockX, The RealReal, and eBay make it easier than ever to enter this lucrative business. If you can master sourcing, authentication, and pricing strategies, you'll have a serious advantage in this market. How much time does it take to learn? 4 out of 5. You'll need to study branding, authentication techniques, and market trends. While it takes effort, the returns are worth it. How much money do you need? 3.5 out of 5. High-end items require more upfront investment, but the profit margins can be massive. How hard is it to make $1,000 per month? 1 out of 5. A single sale could easily bring in $1,000 or more, depending on the item. 7. Online writing and copywriting. Writing is one of the highest-paying skills in the world. Every successful business relies on persuasive writing, whether it's for advertising, emails, blogs, or websites. That's why companies are willing to pay thousands for great copy. Freelancers can earn $500 to $1,000 per article, writing content like blog posts, website copy, social media content, sales emails. And if you become an expert, the sky's the limit. Some high-level copywriters charge $50,000 for a single sales page, especially if their words help a company double its revenue. Writing isn't just about putting words on a page. It's about understanding human psychology, persuasive techniques, and storytelling. Once you master those, businesses will pay a premium for your work. How much time does it take to learn? 5 out of 5. Writing is a craft that requires skill, strategy, and constant improvement. But once you master it, the earning potential is limitless. How much money do you need? 1 out of 5. All you need is a laptop and an internet connection to get started. How hard is it to make $1,000 per month? 1 out of 5. With just a few clients, you can easily hit that target. Final thoughts. These 7 side hustles aren't just ideas. They're proven income streams that real people are using every day to make money. So which one are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. And if you want a step-by-step guide on any of these, just drop your topic below and type tutorial in the comments. Before you go, if you got even one valuable idea from this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more ways to make money.